Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Flow channel, the place where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Henry. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. Wherever you are in the world, welcome.
Today's lesson is a very special one. We are going to talk about English at work, real English, the kind of English you need every single day, in an office, in a meeting, or when talking with your colleagues.
Whether you work in an office, work online, or you are preparing for a new job, this lesson is for you. We will go slow, step by step. Just relax and listen.
By the end of this video, you will know how to greet your coworkers, how to talk in meetings, how to ask for help, and how to write a professional email, all in natural, confident English.
Are you ready? Let's go. Good morning, Emily. How are you doing today?
Good morning, Henry. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was great, thank you. I finally got some rest. Okay, let's get started. We have a busy day ahead.
We sure do. The team meeting is at 10 o'clock, right?
That's right. At 10. Don't forget to bring your notes.
I won't. Thanks for the reminder.
Now, before we go to the meeting, let's talk about these morning phrases. When you arrive at work, it is very important to greet your colleagues in a warm and friendly way. A simple "good morning" or "how are you doing" makes a big difference. People feel happy when you greet them well.
That's so true. And remember, you don't need to say something long or complicated. Short and friendly is always perfect. Even just "good morning" with a smile is wonderful.
Exactly. Now, let's go to that meeting.
Good morning, everyone. Let's get started. Today, we have 3 things on the agenda. First, the project update. Second, the budget. And third, next steps.
Sorry to interrupt, Emily. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? I want to make sure I understand everything.
Of course, no problem at all. Let me slow down. So, first item, the project update. Henry, can you give us a quick update?
Sure. The project is going well. We finished the first phase last week. We are now working on phase 2. We expect to finish by Friday.
That's great news. Does anyone have any questions about the project?
No questions? Okay, let's move on to the budget.
I just want to add one thing. We need to stay within budget this month. Please let me know if you need anything approved first.
Understood. I'll make sure to check with you before any big expenses.
Perfect. Thank you, everyone. I think that covers everything for today. Great meeting.
Thanks, Emily. Very productive.
Now, did you notice something? In that meeting, we used many very useful phrases. Things like, "let's get started," "let's move on," and "that covers everything." These are phrases that native speakers use every single day in meetings. They sound very natural and professional.
And did you notice? When I didn't understand something, I said, "Sorry to interrupt. Could you speak more slowly, please?" That is a very polite and important phrase. You can always ask someone to speak more slowly. It is completely okay. Don't be shy.
Never be shy. People are always happy to help. Now, let's look at our next situation.
Hey, Emily, do you have a minute? I need some help.
Of course, come in. What's going on?
I'm working on the monthly report, but I'm not sure how to format the data correctly. Could you show me how you do it?
Sure, no problem. Here, let me show you. So first, you open this file. Then you click here and select this option. Does that make sense?
Could you go over that one more time? I want to make sure I get it right.
Of course, no rush at all. So, you open the file, you click here, and then you select this. Got it?
Yes, now I understand. That's so much clearer. Thank you so much, Emily. I really appreciate it.
Anytime. Don't hesitate to ask if you need anything else, okay?
I will. I really appreciate your help. I'll let you know when the report is ready.
Sounds great. Good luck!
Now, asking for help at work is a very normal and important thing to do. Nobody knows everything, and when you ask for help politely, people are always happy to assist you.
That's right. The key is to be polite and clear. Do you have a minute? Is perfect. It shows that you respect the other person's time. And I really appreciate your help. That is a beautiful way to say thank you. It feels very warm and sincere.
So remember, don't be afraid to ask for help. It is a sign of intelligence, not weakness.
Now let's talk about emails. Writing a good work email in English is so important. Let's look at a simple example together.
Emails can be tricky sometimes. We don't always know how to start or how to finish them. Let's make it easy.
Exactly. So let's say Henry wants to email his manager to request a day off. Henry, how would you start?
I would write, "Dear Ms. Johnson, I hope you are doing well." That's a polite and professional opening.
Perfect. Now, the main message.
I am writing to request a day off on Friday, March 7th for a personal matter. I will make sure all my work is completed beforehand.
Excellent. Now, the closing.
Thank you for your consideration. I look forward to hearing from you. Best regards, Henry.
That is a perfect email. Did you hear how short and clear it was? There were no long paragraphs, no complicated words, just polite, clear, professional English.
That is the secret to a good work email. Always start with a polite greeting. Then say clearly what you need. Then end with a warm and professional closing. Simple as that.
And one more tip. Always read your email one more time before you send it. Check for any mistakes. Make sure your message is clear. Take your time, no rush.
Great advice, Emily. Okay, we are almost at the end of today's lesson.
Wonderful! We covered so much today. Let's do a quick summary of everything we learned.
In part 1, we learned how to greet our coworkers in the morning. Simple, warm, and friendly phrases like, "How are you doing?" and "Did you have a good weekend?"
In part 2, we learned how to speak in a meeting, how to start a meeting, how to give an update, how to ask someone to speak slowly, and how to finish a meeting professionally.
In part 3, we learned how to ask for help at work, politely, clearly, and confidently. Because asking for help is always okay.
And in part 4, we learned how to write a short, clear, and professional work email in English, with a polite greeting, a clear message, and a warm closing.
So much useful English, all in one lesson. You did an amazing job today. We are really proud of you.
Now, we have one small challenge for you. This week, try to use at least one phrase from today's lesson at your work or in your daily life. Just one. And then come back and tell us in the comments. Which phrase did you use?
We would absolutely love to hear from you. Write your answer below. We read every single comment and we always reply.
And here is our question of the day. What do you say when you arrive at work in the morning? Do you say, "Good morning"? Do you say, hey, or something else in your language?
Write your answer in the comments below. And tell us, where do you work or what job do you dream of having one day?
Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts for spending your time with us today. You are an amazing learner, and we are so happy you are part of the Mr. English Flow family.
If this lesson was helpful for you, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and lets us make more free lessons for you.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Flow so you never miss a new lesson. Just hit that subscribe button. It is completely free.
Keep practicing every single day. Even just 5 minutes of English every day makes a huge difference over time. You are doing great. Just keep going.
We will see you in the very next video. Until then, stay happy, stay curious, and keep learning.
Bye for now. Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you soon.